Hello guys, with Troyals on here, and this video shows you how to install the official CyanogenMod 9 RC1 on your Samsung Galaxy TAB P1000. You can see the model number on the back of my device. This is the model P1000. So let's start, guys. First, make sure that your device is rooted and have installed Clock Code Mod Recovery on here. You'll see the application, CWM and Super User. So first, go to settings, wireless and network, USB settings, master storage as default setting. Select the master storage default setting. So go back and connect your device to PC using USB cable right here. Turn on USB storage, and now come to the PC. So you can download this file, that link in the description below. This is the CyanogenMod 9 RC1.raw file. So after downloading file, extract the file using WinRAR. Password for the raw file is VIOVO, also rated in description below. Okay, password is VIOVO. Okay. So guys, after the extracting file, open this folder, CyanogenMod 9 RC1, and copy this folder, CyanogenMod 9 RC1. But first, make sure that you have these two files in the folder, cm9 and galps.zip. Both files are zip files. You can see the extension by right click and see the properties. So just copy this folder, CyanogenMod 9 RC1. Just right click and copy this folder. So right click and select copy. So just copy this folder into your removable disk. Just right click and paste the folder. So guys, after copying this folder into your removable disk of your Samsung Galaxy TAB P1000, so just right click and eject your device from your computer. Now come to the phone or tab. Turn off USB storage and remove USB cable. So now just press the power key, select power off. Okay. So guys, we need to enter your device in the recovery mode by pressing volume up key plus power key. So just hold the volume up key and turn on your device. So guys, we have successfully entered in the recovery mode. I will show you how to use recovery mode. I have version 3.0.5. So I'm using your volume rocker keys to scroll down or like this. To select any option from this menu, just press the home key. To go back, just press the back key. So first select the wipe data factory set. Then select S. Delete all this data. Then select the wipe cache partition. Then select S, wipe cache. Then go to the advanced menu, last option, and select the wipe data cache, second option. Then select S, wipe data cache. Now select the go back. Then select install zip from SD card. Then select choose zip from SD card and open the folder that we have created, the CyanogenMod 9 RC1. And select the first file, cm9.0.0-rc1-p1.zip file. So you see that first file, and just select the file. Then select S, install cm9, and wait. So guys, this will be installed the new Clock Code Mod Recovery file. So we'll see the updated version 5.5.0.4. So to use this recovery mode or recovery menu, to scroll down or up, use your volume rocker keys or option key or home key to scroll down. So if you want to select any option from this menu, just press your search key like this. To go back, just press the back key right here. So now first select the wipe data factory set again. Then select S, delete all user data. Now go to the advanced menu and select the wipe data cache. Then select S, wipe data cache. Select the go back. Then go to the install zip from SD card. Then select the choose zip from SD card. Then open the folder that we copied from a PC. This is CyanogenMod 9 RC1 again. And again select the file cm9.0.0-rc1-p1.zip. First file, and select install cm9. So guys, after completing installation, just select choose from SD card again, then open the folder again, CyanogenMod 9 RC1, and now you need to select this file. This is the gapps-ics-20120317-cyanode.zip. Just select this file, then select S, install gapps-ics. Now select go back, then select reboot system now. Guys, it takes a little bit more extra time to first boot, so don't turn off your device or not just reinstall this. So first select the language, welcome, English United States, or anything that you want. I'm selecting English United Kingdom. So you can also see the supported language on here. So maximally every language is supported for this. So Arabic, Chinese, and anything that you have that you want. So I'm selecting English United Kingdom. Then select start. SIM card not found, escape. If you have SIM card installed, you will get the SIM card accepted, so it doesn't matter about that. Now select connect your Wi-Fi network and want, so escape. Then select your date and time. I'm just hitting next. Create an account, not now. Next. Give a name to your tab. Next, finish. So guys, after rebooting your device, you have successfully installed the official CyanogenMod 9 RC1 on your Samsung Galaxy TAB P1000. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, and please share this video.